Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video, I'll explain what the TEMU app is and show you exactly how to use it to shop for an affordable product step by step. Let's get started. TEMU is a popular online shopping app known for offering a huge variety of products at very low prices. You can find everything from clothes, electronics and home goods to beauty products, pet supplies and more. The app is known for frequent discounts, free shipping offers and fun mini games where you can earn extra coupons. It is available both on iOS and Android. Now, let's move to how to use it. First, to do that, you have to go to your App Store and download your app. If you haven't, go to the App Store, then search TEMU on your search bar at the top. After this icon pops up, tap on that, then tap on Install and open up your app. Once opens up, tap Sign In or Join, then use your email, phone number, or a social media login. To browse products, scroll to the home page for trending deals or the search bar to find something specific. So use the search bar at the top of the page to find something specific you like. You can also filter by price, category or ratings. Then if you like the product, tap on your product, then select the size, color if available. So scroll down to find the size. So you can see the sizes here. Tap on your size and then tap on the colors you like. Tap on add now and then to check out, go to your cart, then review your items and then tap check out. Enter your delivery address and payment details. TEMU often offers free shipping and once at checkout. Then to track your order, in the order section you can see shipping updates until your package arrives. TEMU regularly has flash sales and games where you can win coupons or free products. Turn on notifications so you don't miss big discounts and always check product reviews before buying for the best experience. And that is how you can use the TEMU app to shop for amazing deals right from your phone. I hope you guys like this video. Like if it did and comment down if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Bye.